when it is about the real empowerment, giving them the power of pen, that is education, they have been deprived.
ये तो आप तय कर लीजिए कि जिस इनके समय में कितना यहाँ का लिटरेसी रेट था और अभी कितना है, इससे स्पष्ट आपको पता चल जाएगा। बिहार में आप हर एक गांव में पहुंच जाइए, वहां आपको स्कूल मिलेगा। हर एक पंचायत में 10+2 की व्यवस्था की गई है। इनके समय में चरवाहा विद्यालय खुलवाया जाता था। लालू यादव जी 1995 में नारा दिए थे, पता है क्या दिए थे? हरे जो अभी तेजस्वी यादव कर रहे हैं, लालू यादव जी 1995 में जनता दल के नेतृत्व में लालू यादव जी फेस थे सीएम का, उस समय नारा दिया था कि हर एक परिवार को एक नौकरी देंगे और 300 परिवार पे एक अस्पताल की व्यवस्था देंगे और 15 रुपया में धोती साड़ी का व्यवस्था करेंगे। लालू यादव जी सरकार में भी आए और बिहार को जिस तरीके से जंगल राज में धकेल दिया, आपराधिक राज में धकेल दिया, लूट राज में धकेल दिया, जातीय नरसंहार में धकेल दिया, धार्मिक नरसंहार में धकेल दिया, क्या ये लालू यादव जी का सवाल नहीं होना चाहिए? तेजस्वी यादव जी जिस नौकरी की बात करते हैं, शायद वो उस नौकरी के पात्रता भी है उनके पास क्या?
This is the problem. When it comes to the EBC and OBC, these people speak, this is the language. Why they have a stomach ache? When they are saying the Charvaha Vidyalaya, because they understand the language, they're the basic comfort they are trying to give, because they do not have money to eat and earn. That's why they see. Listen, I didn't. See, मैंने आपको नहीं टोका था महेश जी. Please, महेश, क्या कर रहे हैं महेश जी? आपको मैंने नहीं टोका था. See, this is the basic difference between their BJP and NDA spokesperson. When they get up on the back foot, they will not allow to speak, and this is the basic DNA of their NDA. They will not allow to speak this. This is not happening here only, even in the house. See, what is happening? This is the question of empowerment of EBC on the economic ground. That's why. अरे 50 साल के बाद याद है, what you doing? See, the reservation, they claim that they have made the EBC. It was declared by the Rabri Devi government. And this Nitish Kumar has pulled the support from that side. That's why they didn't lagu that time. See, I can tell you this is the ground fact.
I'm not going to go back in
So
time.
this is what I'm saying. Maria ji, this is Maria ji. Let me complete one
रिपोर्ट में आप लोग रिपोर्ट नहीं भेज पाते थे।
See, Maria ji, why I countered, because they are claiming different false allegation here. That's why I brought this in the figure. Let me complete about the EBC Sankalp. See, Mahesh ji, what are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? See, this EBC Sankalp, that is what we have fought. We have seen that what is basic minimum requirement of the EBC. So this is, so what you are doing, man?
रुक जाइए, please.
Oh, see, this is what the basic Sankalp, what you have done. We are giving the reservation to the EBC section of people, to the student for in the private school. We are trying to empower them economically by giving 50% reservation in government contracts up to 25 crore. We are making new commission to take care of their welfare activities. And not only that, I might remember, apart from anything they happen, they are saying that, they are saying, oh listen, they are saying that Deputy Chief Minister post is unconstitutional. Then why the two Deputy CM are in NDA? Why there are two Deputy CM are in NDA? If they are
Let's pass on the mic now. Let's pass on the mic. One moment. You will not outshout each other. That's not how debates are conducted here. Sajjan, the question is, what was said by Mr. Utpal here, that late Karpuri Thakur came from the Barber community, and the Barbers again are a very small, minuscule, perhaps less than the Nishads.
Less than Nishads,
and then he became the face of the entire EBC mobilization in Bihar.
Yes, precisely.
If that is the case, then why shouldn't we also assume, based on the history, that this could be the turning point in Bihar elections? With the announcement of Mukesh Sahni.
Let's see the context. You know, when Karpuri Thakur was projecting himself under the leadership of Lohia, Karpuri Thakur did not, you know, projected himself as the son of Barber or son of the Nai, right? He was projecting himself as the leader of the Pichras, you know. संसोपा ने बांधी गाट पिछड़े पावे 100 में 60, 60 out of 100. That was Karpuri Thakur. So his projection of his image was not. Now how Mukesh Sahni has been projecting himself since 2015 and before that? Son of Mallas. Did you ever see Mukesh Sahni ever trying to reach out to non-Mallas EBCs that I represent also other EBCs? No, right? So his entire, his caste belongs to EBC.
Sajjan, let me ask a counter then. So if it is not about non-Malla EBCs, is there a party then in Bihar which is of specific EBCs? Because there are 125 castes.
Yes. So see, in Bihar, either you have National Party or you have regional party wherein you see the dominance of
Dominant,
particular
yeah.
caste,
That's
right?
right.
Now, why EBC's political and social location is important? Because they are minuscule caste individually, therefore they cannot have a caste party, right? And that is why these are unanchored caste from caste vantage point. Unanchored means they do not have a caste leader, right? So that is why they would also go by a leader and a party who they see economically relatively better and in terms of law and order who gives them a sense of security, right? So that is why EBCs cannot have a party, because when you have caste as the anchor of the party,
Okay.
regional party, that
Okay.
is not the privilege they are enjoying in Bihar.
Okay. Yes, please, go ahead.
Term, we had two EBC's deputy chief ministers from BJP.
That's
so it
right.
is not as if for the first time EBC.
One
has
moment,
been-
one moment.
No.
One
it
moment,
is,
let him finish his point.
You need
Yes.
to understand in what context I was telling you that. So EBC empowerment has been done by this NDA government for a long period of time. It is only that when it has become now politically important and they are losing elections, they have lost trust of EBC for last 15-20 years. See, it is not only about political and economic empowerment. What RJD workers have done at the ground level is something to be seen and believed. They are very fearful of that. See, Jungle Raj has not been said just like that. They were the ones who were mostly targeted by RJD workers and their goons.
Mariaji, one
And
minute.
that
One
is
moment.
how this
One
has
moment.
happened. And which is why EBCs never deviated towards Mahagathbandhan, because it is not only about economic. See, the political empowerment, economic
One moment.
empowerment, all of these have been given by NDA. And therefore, absolutely, even among Mallas, see, if Mukesh Sahni was so important, why did he lose his own election last time? He lost his election, right? So if it is so it is not as if he is the sole leader of Mallas.
Okay,
There are
Maria
so
ji,
many
one-
people, Sahnis out here, and we have JDU has so many leaders who have influence all throughout Bihar. He has influence, we have to admit, but few constituencies in North Bihar and nothing beyond that.